Coba kumaha, mas kuka. Happy birthday, happy birthday, your way again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Asa? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, your way. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Yorme. Ya, napasalamat gid ako ay may bridal car with ano ako niya staff. Ana nga girlfriend, no? Andang family ro nang daog kuno car. So, ro kasala ng bayan, ginulungani, gamaninay, gid ako para. May bridal car with as manong iyan. Yay! Oh, nagasulangot. Anyway, thank you very much for those who celebrated Mayor's birthday yesterday. Ito ka mo? Ay, konti lang ang nag-yes. Pero, for those who won, ruanat ang parigalo ninyo kasi mo na my birthday. Congratulations! And kabay pa nga, magtrabaho ka mo makaralitmayad bilang regalo maninyo ka na. Dapat? Amen? Okay, and also, we are announcing that we will be celebrating this third week of April as the Solo Parents Week and the third Saturday as the Solo Parents Day. Hopefully, doon itong mga nag-apply na solo parents will be given and distributed their IDs para maka-avail sa datong mga benefits kaina ngayon mention. And announcement likewise, nagsugot si Ma'am Gay na we will continue with the Local Council of Women Sunday Bazaar every Sunday until December of this year. Parang happy kayo. And likewise, announcement, the Chenda de Calibo is already available and waiting for you. Kabay pa nga una-uni nyo nga. Una ba?
Wapa.
Ay, may bagon pa man siguro ka mo. Barato ka lang ina, so kabay pa nga maka-avail ka mo. And hopefully, kapag ninyo sa ATM, una yun, angan-angan, pa-birthday ni Mayor ninyo again. So, good day to everyone. God bless and be healthy because it's very hot. Drink lots of water and juices and make sure na may kap-kap at payong kamoterindy. Okay, so good morning to everyone and thank you very much for gracing this flag ceremony always. Okay, so good luck and again, God bless.